Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to highlight every other row in Excel. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open an Excel sheet. So let's say we want to highlight this sheet. So what we would do is just select our whole worksheet by clicking on Ctrl+A. As you can see, it's selected, and then go to conditional formatting option. From the this option, go to this new rule option and click on use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, click on it, and then format values hide this formula is true. In this option, you have to write equals to mod, then open parenthesis, write row, and closing parenthesis, and click on comma, write open parenthesis, write 2, after the row you have to write 2 open parenthesis and closing parenthesis, just like that, and then click on comma and write 2 and closing parenthesis equals to 1 Okay, now just click on the format button and go to this fill option. Here you can see there are some colors. Put any color that you want to have in your Excel sheet. You can fill effects or click on more colors of your choice to put any color. So I'm picking this light blue color here. Just click on OK and click on OK again. As you can see, the whole worksheet is just painted blue and white. So yep, this is how it works. You can add any formula or work anything on in the sheet. It will not change anything. It will be the same. It's just a color, nothing else. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.